Guys, welcome to the another part of this complete ethical hacking series of DVWA walkthrough. In this part, we will be discuss about the cross-site request forgery (CSRF). What is cross-site request forgery? In cross-site request forgery, let us imagine you are logged in a social media site, let's say for example Facebook, and you want to change your password. Let's imagine the Facebook change password layout is look kind of like of this. Here you can type your new password and confirm password. After typing the password, new password and confirm password, you will click on the change button. As you click on the change button, you will perform an action. Now the attacker will steal that query and execute in your browser, and you will, if an attacker embed that query into a link, and the attacker will send this link to the victim, and if the victim clicks on that particular link, then your new password will be set by the attacker, and he will have the complete access over your social media site. So in this way the attacker can perform the CSRF. To perform any cross-site request forgery, you can do it with your default Python HTTP server, or you can do it with the Burp collaborator. I will be covering both of these two parts, and first of all I will cover with the Python HTTP server. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for that you need to open terminal and create a file called index.html. In that file you can see we have already set an image tag. Inside the image tag we have set the source, which is HTTP localhost at 80 port, vulnerabilities, CSRF, password new. Here you can see the new password. Here is password, and the confirmed password is here password. So the default password for the DVWA site is password, so we need to change this. So the password should be password 1 or 2. Let's say password 2, and confirm password is also will be password 2. Now save this file, and we will host an HTTP server, Python HTTP server at port 8000. Now it's serving and listening. Now go to that server at port 8000. Here you can see the image file is loaded. Now the password is changed. Log out, type the default password, which is admin, and the password was password. Here you can see it's showing login failed. It means the password is changed. So this changed password is password 2. Now login. Here you can see we have changed the password successfully. So in this way you can perform CSRF. And another way I will show you with the Burp collaborator tool. Okay, so see you in the next video. So one more thing guys, as I have previously mentioned, Please subscribe to my channel, share this to your friends, ask them for subscription. This makes me more than happy and keep me motivated to bring you such interesting videos. So till then, tata, bye bye, stay happy.